Hello and welcome to a TaxWare video tutorial. Today, we will be going over the Recall Client screen, which is where you will access any clients you have already started for this year. The Recall Client screen also has options to add new clients and recall prior year clients, which means it can be used as your central hub for accessing and starting returns. From the main menu, click on the top middle box labeled Recall Client. Here on the Recall Client screen, you will see a list of clients you have already started for the year. Double-clicking on a client will take you to the basic information screen for that client, so you can continue working on that return. You can use the search field on the left-hand side or the column tabs at the top to quickly find the client you are looking for. Also, on the left-hand side, there are a number of filters you can use. The client type filter will allow you to search between viewing the current year clients and prior year clients, meaning you can recall prior year returns from this screen. The e-file status filter will allow you to quickly view returns that have been accepted, rejected, or other e-file statuses. The preparer filter will allow you to view returns completed by specific preparers if you have multiple preparers in your office. You can also create new clients from this screen by clicking the New Client button at the top left of the screen, as well as pull in awaiting acknowledgements by pressing the Get Axe button. The Edit Client grid on the top of the screen will allow you to choose which columns are displayed in your client grid, as well as the order of these columns. For example, let's say we wanted to remove the prior year unpaid bill column and add the tax preparer cell phone column. We probably want that to be next to the home phone number, so we could use the arrows next to it to move it within the list. If we mess up anything too much and we want to start over, we can click the Restore Default buttons on the bottom left. When we click Save, we will return to the Recall Client grid with our updated column settings. The last feature we will talk about on the Recall Client screen is Expanded Information window. By single-clicking on a client and pressing F2 on our keyboard, or the F2 button on the top of the screen, we will bring up the Expanded Information window. This screen will show some additional information about the selected client, including their e-file status, Fed and state refund, or balances, and billing information. You can even make payments on the bill or change the return status right from this screen without having to enter the client's return directly. The most common issue users may come across on the Recall Current screen is that some or all of their clients aren't showing up. If you don't see any clients and you know there should be some, you may be selecting the incorrect current year data folder here at the top of the screen. You can click on the Current Path button here to select between different data folders that were created this year. If you still do not see the corrected data listed below, your data might be on a network and this workstation hasn't been set up yet, or your network connection has been disconnected. Please see our video on defaults and settings for more information on setting up data paths, or contact our technical support if you're having trouble populating this list. This concludes the Recall Current screen tutorial. If you have further questions, feel free to email us at support@taxwaresystems.com or give our technical support on a call at 1-800-877-1065. We'll see you in the next video, and thank you for choosing TaxWare.